Welcome to Lesson 7 of our ZSH Shell tutorial. Today we'll learn about variables and data types. You'll learn to store and use data in your scripts. Let's dive in. Declaring variables in ZSH is simple. Use the syntax name equals value with no spaces around the equals sign. This is critical. Spaces will cause an error. Access variables with $sign, like $name, or use curly braces for clarity, $brace, name brace. Let's see this in action. We create variables for name, age, and city. Now we access them with $sign. Each echo prints the variable value. Curly braces help when combining with other text. See how file_backup becomes empty? With braces, file_backup works correctly. String quoting is important in ZSH. Double quotes allow variable expansion. Single quotes treat everything literally. Use double quotes when you need variable values. Use single quotes for exact literal text. Let's compare single and double quotes. With double quotes, $fruit becomes apple. With single quotes, $fruit stays literal. Escape $sign to print it literally in double quotes. Command substitution also works in double quotes. But not in single quotes, it stays literal. Mixing quotes gives you flexibility. ZSH supports arithmetic operations. Use double parentheses for math. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Modulo gives the remainder after division. Double, plus, increments a variable. Let's try some arithmetic. We store the result of 5 plus 3. The result is 8, as expected. We can inline the calculation too. Variables work inside the parentheses. Double parentheses with plus increments count. Now count is 1. Environment variables are special system variables. Common ones include home, user, and shell. Use export to make variables available to child processes. The readonly command prevents modification. Use unset to remove a variable completely. Let's explore environment variables. Home shows your home directory path. User shows your username. Shell shows your current shell. Export makes a variable available to subshells. Read-only prevents changes. See the error? Unset removes the variable entirely. Now temp is empty. Let's recap Lesson 7. Variables use name equals value with no spaces. Double quotes expand variables, single quotes don't. Use $double parentheses for arithmetic. Export, read-only, and unset manage environment variables. Next up, user input and arguments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified of new lessons. See you in the next one.